Okay, so we're knocking the wiper off here. We're using a punch on the back side here. It's separating. I think we're going to heat it up just to make it a little bit easier to get the rest of the way. Touch it with my finger.
Yep, that's moving a ton. Yep.
That's part of your bus right now.
What's that?
So that's part of your bus right now.
Yep. There it goes. Cool. Here, I'll just...
Yeah, that is the temptation.
Well, where's your gloves? Your welding gloves. Yeah. Here, you want these bigger ones?
Yeah.
Just be careful, doesn't it? Like
Land on my crotch.
Yeah. Land on any part of you. Cool. What do you think of that? There it is. Ta-da! Success! There we go.
That needs to be cleaned. I'm not touching it.
So you don't need these.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I saw. I got the placebo on there.
They're close. Yeah, they're really close.
She's moving. Keep going. Keep going. This side's further. Yep, she's moving right in. Yep, keep going. By God, she's on. Yep.
What's my settling gauge down to there?
You were down to about 3.
We're running out of acetylene.
Down to 2.
Oof. moving?
Yep,
Yeah.
it's moving for sure. Yep. Bigger chisels.
Yeah.
Yep, that's moving a ton. Try to go to the top if you can. There you go.
I just want to grab it.
I know. It's so tempting. You want this one, Scott? There we go.
All right. Is it actually coming every time, or is it just
Yes.
rocking back?
No, yes,
No,
no, it's
it's
coming.
There
For
we
sure.
go. Careful now, though. You hit too hard, it's gonna fly off. Yeah.
Yep, there it goes. Bam, get the speedy string ring on.
It definitely looks like your side needs to be
My
hit up.
side?
Yeah, your
Yeah,
side
it needs a
needs to
few
go.
more hits.
My side needs more hits now, right?
Don't want to mess up the spindle.
Your side needs more hits, Scott.
Yep.
Your side more, Scott.
You're still moving. Yep. There we go. Close to being seated. Real close, real close. Seated. Yep. Yeah.
Solid.
That bounce, yep. Okay.
Water will come first, and then the oil will come after the water.
Okay. Okay.
Only a
just-
little bit of water.
Yeah, that's literally what happened last time.
Yep. So it'd be nice if we could put a pull chain drain on there, and then you have a wire that runs over to the side, a little cable, and you just tug it, and it just spits it out when you do it, so you don't have to climb under here, because that's a pain in the butt to get to.
Oh, to get to here.
Yeah.
Yep.
But that is a modified valve. That's not how the 4106 came.
Okay.
So somebody's already added that to it at least, so it's a little easier.
Yeah, the one in the front.
For the
Three.
hose.
Oh, that's right. Yep.
Plus brakes.
So this is the compression fitting that we got that's going to go on the copper. This is the super thick walled stuff, but there's a little copper insert that goes in there, and the guy said it's good to 8,000 psi. 6,000 psi.
Yep. Which we should be nowhere near that, right?
No, we're nowhere near that.
Okay. All right. So that's the fix we did. That's a compression to a 45, the original, and then new hoses. Okay, opening it. And this shouldn't have any pressure because
No,
the treadle valve is...
Yeah, because the brake is
Okay.
disconnected.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Yes, it does have pressure and oil. Just
Let it.
let it part out of there. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Boy, that stinks.
That is a very specific smell.
Okay.
You'll know that anytime you smell it from now on. That's air compressor oil smell.
Okay. Wow.
That
Yeah.
wasn't too bad, but I'm surprised the oil came out of that because that's not even the wet tank, so that's surprising.
Okay. And then no water came out of that one. But when I did this one a few months ago, some oil did come out.
So let's just leave that open and we'll just let it, is that container able to just stay there?
Yep,
Or?
yeah,
Okay.
it
Yeah,
can.
we'll just let it drain out of there and we'll close it later.
Okay. All right. Cool.
And we'll get as much out of there as possible because it's still wanting to.
How about this one? This one
See,
I've done.
See, that's the wrong way for the valve too. You notice
Yep.
that?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah,
I was
you're right.
telling you, a lot of them are like.
So that one's pretty empty. There's a little bit of gunk. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's just no pressure behind it right now, but yeah.
Okay. You can just let it go. All right, we ready?
Yeah. I think that didn't want to come off. It's very hot, so be careful. Yep, it was smoking.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay. All right. So I dropped it somewhere, and I'll probably put my knee.
It's on the.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. Yes, it's warm.
It's very hot when it gets
Yep.
up this way.
Okay. Ready? Yep. Here we go.
It's gonna need a little bit of persuasion with the sledge.
The
here.
sledge. Okay. Not bad.
That washer went under that.
Can't see it.
Oh, now I see it. Yeah.
Oh, is it not showing up in the camera that it's a double rainbow?
It's a little darker over on the left.
I can barely see it on the camera. Hey, there should be a pot of gold under Lenny.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So cool.
I don't think I've ever watched before and seen it.
Seen
like,
it,
just
Hey,
Yeah.
it's pointing to the Battleborn batteries,
There
the pot
you
of gold.
go, Yep. Perfect.
Got a lot done. Got that brake set up on there. We got to get a new fitting. The old fitting was bent that was on there. And then this side's just about done. Same thing. We got to get different. That's a different size fitting on there. And we can't put the airbags in yet. We got to put this plate back on. That's over where we did the power steering hose fix. Once we do that, then we'll put the airbags on. I'm not gonna put the hubs on until we get the brakes because it's so much easier to put the brake linings on and the springs on without the hubs on. 10 times easier. So we got quite a bit done today. We only worked 5 hours, so it wasn't a full day's work, but we got a lot done. Tomorrow, just a few things, and then mostly we're waiting for parts that are gonna be here on Wednesday. The brake drums will be here tomorrow. We can get the rears all back up and together tomorrow. And then the fronts, we got to wait for you to get the brake, the bolts for the brakes, and then the treadle valve. That's going to be a few days, I think, for that one actually. So, but yeah, we got a lot done today. Only part of a day, but making progress.
up his tools. Check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long, hard ride in that pre-war silver sides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down and that 47 Hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. With the propped up engine door, watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows in Detroit there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue silver sides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Get that bus grease monkey down the road. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?